step light is a type of lighting fixture designed to be installed in steps, stairways, or along walkways to provide illumination and improve safety. The primary function of a step light is to enhance visibility in areas where people walk, especially in low light conditions. This helps to prevent accidents such as trips and falls. Step lights are commonly used both indoors and outdoors, depending on the design and application. For indoor use, they might be found in staircases within homes, theaters, or commercial buildings. Outdoor applications include garden paths, deck steps, and exterior stairways. Step lights typically feature a housing that is recessed into the wall or step. This design helps to protect the light fixture from damage and also provides a clean, integrated look. The light source, which could be an incandescent bulb, a light-emitting diode, or other type of lamp, is contained within this housing. The light is often directed downwards to illuminate the walking surface without causing glare. The cover of a step light serves several important functions. Firstly, it protects the internal components of the fixture, such as the lamp and wiring, from environmental elements like moisture, dust, and physical impacts. Secondly, the cover helps to diffuse the light, providing a more even and comfortable illumination. Thirdly, the cover contributes to the overall aesthetic design of the step light. In many modern step lights, the cover is designed to be flush with the rest of the fixture. This means that the cover sits level with the surrounding surface, creating a smooth and seamless appearance. A flush cover design offers several advantages. Firstly, it minimizes the risk of tripping or snagging on the fixture, as there are no protruding edges. Secondly, it provides a more aesthetically pleasing look, as the fixture blends in with its surroundings. Thirdly, a flush cover can be easier to clean and maintain, as there are fewer crevices where dirt and debris can accumulate. When installing a step light, it is important to follow all applicable electrical codes and safety guidelines. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides specific requirements for the installation of lighting fixtures, including step light. These requirements cover topics such as wiring methods, grounding, and protection from moisture. Before beginning any electrical work, it is crucial to disconnect the power supply to the circuit at the circuit breaker or fuse box. This will help to prevent electrical shock. Firstly, you should carefully read and understand the installation instructions provided by the manufacturer of the step light. These instructions will provide specific guidance on how to install the fixture safely and correctly. Secondly, select a suitable location for the step light. Consider the desired level of illumination, the potential for exposure to moisture, and the accessibility of wiring. Thirdly, prepare the wiring. Ensure that the wiring is of the correct gauge for the circuit and that it is properly insulated. Use appropriate wire connectors to make secure and reliable electrical connections. Fourthly, install the step light housing. This may involve cutting a hole in the wall or step and securing the housing with screws or other fasteners. Fifthly, connect the wiring to the step light fixture. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully to ensure that the wiring is connected correctly. Incorrect wiring can result in electrical shock or damage to the fixture. Sixthly, install the lamp or light source. Be sure to use a lamp that is compatible with the fixture and that meets all applicable safety standards. Seventhly, attach the cover. Ensure that the cover is securely fastened to the housing and that it is flush with the surrounding surface. Eighthly, test the step light to ensure that it is working properly. Turn on the power supply to the circuit and verify that the light illuminates when it is supposed to. Ninthly, inspect the installation to ensure that there are no exposed wires or other hazards. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure that the installation is safe and compliant with all applicable codes. Tenthly, maintain the step light regularly. Clean the cover periodically to remove any dirt or debris. Replace the lamp when it burns out. Inspect the wiring and connections to ensure that they are in good condition. By following these guidelines, you can install and maintain step lights safely and effectively. Step lights are available in a wide variety of styles, sizes, and finishes. When selecting a step light, consider the overall aesthetic of the space where it will be installed. Choose a fixture that complements the existing decor and that provides the desired level of illumination. Some step lights feature adjustable louvers or shields that can be used to direct the light beam. These features can be useful for controlling glare and for creating a more customized lighting effect. Other step lights feature built-in motion sensors that automatically turn the light on when someone approaches. These lights can be useful for security purposes and for saving energy. When selecting a step light, be sure to choose a fixture that is rated for the appropriate environment. For outdoor applications, choose a fixture that is waterproof and that is resistant to corrosion. For indoor applications, choose a fixture that is suitable for the ambient temperature and humidity. Step lights are an important safety feature in any home or building. By providing illumination in steps and stairways, they help to prevent accidents and injuries. When installed and maintained properly, step lights can provide years of reliable service. Remember to always consult with a qualified electrician if you have any questions or concerns about installing or maintaining step lights. A qualified electrician can help you to select the right fixtures for your needs and can ensure that they are installed safely and correctly. In addition to providing safety, step lights can also add aesthetic appeal to a space. With a wide variety of styles and finishes available, it is easy to find step lights that complement the existing decor and that enhance the overall look of the space. Step lights can be used to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in homes, gardens, and commercial buildings. They can also be used to highlight architectural features and to add visual interest to a space. When used creatively, step lights can transform an ordinary space into something truly special. Therefore, step lights are more than just a practical lighting solution. They are also a design element that can enhance the beauty and functionality of any space. By understanding the different types of step lights available and by following proper installation and maintenance procedures, you can ensure that your step lights provide years of safe, reliable, and beautiful illumination.